Welcome to 52 Solutions for Homeschool Moms. And the problem we're facing today is dyscalculia. And our solution is one bite at a time. I'm Diane Holt at tutorsolutions.net. How do you solve the problem of dyscalculia? Well, it's the same way that you solve the problem of how to eat an elephant. One bite at a time. Well, let's look at 1 foot at a time. The first foot we're going to address is good teaching. One of the best ways to teach is direct instruction. This is where the teacher teaches and the student responds along the way. I've made a video called 52 Solutions for Homeschool Moms Spelling Drill, and it shows using this direct method using spelling. Another teaching strategy is graphic organizers. Again, I have made a video called 52 Solutions for Homeschool Moms Gaming Log. And it shows how to use this particular graphic organizer and carry it through to the end of the unit. There's also another way to teach. It's called I do, you do, we do, you do. Again, check out a video called 52 Solutions for Homeschool Moms, Stop Apologizing. And it goes through that model. These are all good teaching models. Check them out. I think you'll be surprised at how well they work for your child. The second elephant foot is the language of math. Oh, this is such a stumbling block for children. So there are several good ways to teach math vocabulary. One is just to provide the word, a definition, and a model. Word, definition, and model, so they can make those connections. Another is to use a keyword map, and it looks like this. This is so helpful for children. It gives them a beginning place. What does it mean altogether? Well, it means to add. What does it mean to minus? Well, it means to subtract. So you can see how helpful this can be. However, there is a big warning with this one, because as you progress, certain words can mean different things depending on the context of the word problem. Another way that I use is comparison. And here's a game that I use with children, and it helps them to recognize that a verbal prompt requires a certain task. This here is 5th grade place value. And often a child knows that I have to do something with this verbal prompt, but I don't know what it is. And here you can see the verbal prompt and what the task looks like. And it goes around to the different areas of place value for 5th grade. Elephant foot number 3, tools. Oh, tools need to be made available. They need to be taught how to use them and very much supported. And the simpler, the better. The first tool children go to is their fingers, because they are readily available. If you want to wean them off of their fingers, use a program called TouchPoint. It is fantastic in that it can be used for all operations. And the program has so much repetition, it's very helpful for these children. I would check that one out. There are other strategies, such as singing the count bys, or the mnemonic daddy, mommy, sister, brother. First you divide, then you multiply, then you subtract, then you bring down the next number, the prompts for long division. The hundreds charts, number lines, tokens, tally marks, these are all very effective tools, and you will see them in your curriculums. When you teach them, use them over and over again. One that I use all the time is the hundreds chart. It is so very versatile. Check out the video on how to count money using the hundreds chart. And then another thing, games. Games provide the repetition that you need. You can never never have enough practice. And here's a list of my games that are on 52 Solutions. Check them out. Elephant foot number 4, check for understanding. This is how I remember to do it. I have this dice, and on it there are 6 different little questions. I roll the dice at the end of every session, and what it lands on is what we talk about. For example, explain what you did in this problem, or explain what the next step is after you've added this ones column, or explain what is regrouping. Check for understanding, and always give immediate correction and feedback, and cheer them along the way. Prepare for a unique journey. Every child has different strengths and weaknesses that are unique to him or her. It will be a long and arduous journey, but support and encourage and celebrate their achievements. Leave your questions or comments in the comments section. At tutorsolutions.net, we want you to feel that you can eat the elephant of dyscalculia, one bite at a time. There's always help for you here. Thanks for watching. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.